Hey guys, so I wanted to show you what you're going to do to finish working on your coding project. We're actually going to start on week 2 today. So last time we worked on this project, we worked on the first activity, which was just getting to know Scratch and getting to know how to use the coding features. Today you're going to work on adding dialogue, and you're going to start a new project. So you won't even look at your old project. You won't even work on that one. You're going to start a new project, and you're also going to have to share it with me today. So I basically got Miss Odom's class here pulled up. If you're not in Miss Odom's class, you'll still access it the same way. You guys are going to go into your Google Classroom, which you should already be because you had to watch this video. And then you're going to go to the Sign In Google CS First link, which should be here. I'm going to re-link it a second time so that way you have a backup copy. So you click that. It's going to load the CS First login page, and you don't need to enter your club code. So don't worry about that. You're going to go ahead and use the returning students, and you're going to use this login page, and for some classes it might be green, but you're going to use your login page, and you got to use your username and password from last time. So if you can't log in or your password's not working, ask a friend or ask the substitute. Sometimes, like this person's username and password, it's superhero. So if you didn't spell superhero correctly and then you're trying to type it in, that's going to be what's wrong. So ask somebody to look at it and see if you're spelling it wrong. If all else fails, then go ahead and start a new account. The code is, I have it listed in your Google Classroom, so it's there. If you weren't here last week, so you haven't done anything with this project yet, you'll need to get a new username and password, and the link for the Google Classroom is right here, or the login, okay, the club code, whatever. So once you're here, you're going to log in with your username and password, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, go ahead and click sign in, and when you log in, it should bring you to the curriculum page. So it's not going to bring you to your project you worked on last week, and it's not going to work on the project I want you to do today. So if you actually went through all the steps, you'll see that you have green check marks here. That's showing you what you've gotten done. But we're going to go on to do step 2. So you're going to go on to activity 2, which is dialogue. The very first activity is introduction to video, or introduction to dialogue. So you're going to click that, and it's going to pull up this video. What I like to do is I watch this video, it's going to tell me to open up a Scratch login page. So I like to minimize mine and move it to the side so I have it here. And then, let me open up my Scratch project. Oh, it's down here. So I log in the Scratch project, and then I bring my Scratch to the side so I have 2 screens. Okay. In the video, he's going to tell you that you need to click sign in, which it's also at the bottom. See? Sign in using the information on your club passport, so click sign in. You sign in with the same information, the same page information that's on this thing. If you don't do this, you're not going to be able to share your project at the end. So you have to do this. Click sign in. Then you're going to go to create. Allow your Adobe Flash Player to work. And this is what you're going to do. You're going to work through the steps. So this one doesn't really want you to do anything, it just wants you to hit create. So then you go to the second video, and the second video is going to tell you how to add the dialogue. Then the next video is going to go on to the next step. So this is what you're doing today. When you're all finished, at the very top, there's this button that says share. So you're going to click that, and it's going to bring up a new page, and this shares it with me, and you want to make sure that you type in your name here. So whose project is this? This is Mrs. Neal. It's your credit. Who are you giving credit to? Okay? That is what you're doing today. If you finish before time is up, then go create a new Scratch project. We're not doing anything else other than the Scratch project today. You want to make sure that you're getting this done because we're going to be working on the next week 3 the next time we meet. Okay? So I hope to see you guys soon, and I hope you're doing great and having a great day. I'll talk to you later.